How to create a poll in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Messenger application on your mobile device and head towards the group chat where you want to create the poll. If you don't have a group chat yet, you can create a new one. Now, you need to simply access the poll option where that at bottom of the chat screen, you will simply find out the four dots menu or a plus icon depending upon your device. Tap on it and locate the option of polls. Select that and here you will see the text poll. Now on the question section, you need to enter the poll question. Once you are done with entering the question, you need to go to the add options section and enter the options. You can add more option of your choice. And once you are done with it, click on create poll button. And after that, the poll will be sent to the group chat. Now, group members can vote on the options and you'll be able to see the result as people participate. By following this is easy step, you can simply create poll on Facebook Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.